What's up, you guys? Just jumping right into the video. Good morning. It's about 9 o'clock. I've been up since like 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock. As you guys can tell, my hair is a mess. This is the wash and go slash I twisted my hair after my hair just was looking crazy. From my last video. So if you haven't seen my previous video using the curls collection, then you should go check that video out. But right now I'm about to just twist my hair up. I just feel like I've just been doing a lot and I need my hair just to have like a little bit of a break. So I'm gonna just put it in some like mini twists and leave my hair alone for a little bit. I feel like it needs some moisture. Trying to get a little bit more length retention because I feel like ever since I had this color, it has been a little bit difficult to just get my length, and my hair just looks, it just doesn't look how I feel like I need it to. So I just want to leave my hair alone for a little bit and go ahead and put my hair in some mini twists. Right now, I don't think I want to wash my hair just to do that. I don't feel like I really need to. I feel like I literally just washed it like Thursday, maybe Wednesday. It's been about a week. So what I'll probably do is just wet my hair, add the same products that I did in my last video, and then go ahead and just do some mini twists. I'm not going to do like super small ones because there's a lot of hair and I'm trying to hurry this up. I'm trying to be done by like at least 9, 10, maybe 11. I'll say like 2 hours, an hour each side of my head. So I'm going to just go ahead and get started on that. And it's really just self-explanatory. I'm going to section my hair as always. And I'm going to put this side into a scrunch. I'm also losing my voice because of my allergies, so no judgment. I know I sound crazy. It's not because I just woke up, but, well, that too. This is kind of my first time speaking this morning, so it's pretty gloomy outside, but the lighting, I feel like it's bright enough so I can see. I'm going to have to turn the light on. Start back here. Now that it's sectioned off, and I'll probably go ahead and split that section. I'm literally not even doing like perfect parts. I'm probably just gonna grab hair and twist. The part I'll probably do like some like, you know, parting will be in the front because I'm probably gonna have like my 2 twists in the front just to have a little cuteness to the style. But other than that, back here I probably won't do nothing perfect. I'm probably not gonna show you guys until I get to this side just because I don't want to turn the light on. I said already, and the lighting on this side is better. And then come back on camera once I'm on this side. I know I sound super slow, but like I said, I just woke up, I ain't eat nothing. The only thing I did is brush my teeth. I did do that. So I'm back. I finally finished my hair. It's on my head, but I got caught up watching a podcast with B. Simone and Megan. The podcast on YouTube. It's called Know For Sure. You guys should definitely check it out because they are hilarious. Like, B. Simone, I've been loved her for like day one when she went viral for her video, and I always followed her, loved everything about her, never even canceled her when that whole bullshit happened. But that's been my sis, and the fact that she got a podcast, been watching it since episode 1, so you guys should definitely check that out. I'll probably try to put a link down below for episode 1. I think they're on episode like 10 right now, and they are also top 10 or like top 20 podcasts. So definitely check it out. I'll link it below. But anyway, yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. It's probably gonna be like this for a while because I don't want to do my hair anymore. And I feel like it needs a break from me just touching it, being in it, adding product and all of that. So I did go ahead and put some oil. Let me get that again. So I just basically wet sections of my hair, just took random pieces and added the curls, Blueberry Bliss reparative leave-in conditioner from my last style, which was my wash and go. I told you guys to check that out in the beginning of the video, and I'll link that video down below as well. And then the Blueberry Bliss curl control jelly. Blueberry Bliss 5 times fast. Blueberry bliss, blueberry bliss. Curl control jelly. And I just added that. And then at the end, I just went on my scalp with the Main Choice Growth Oil. It's called the Alpha, aka Multivitamin Scalp. It's for all hair types, timeless length, and lasting retention. I've been using for a while. This is probably like my third bottle of that. Like over the years of, you know, me being natural and using oil on my scalp, just because I do have like dry patches or whatever. So it's definitely helped. And yeah, so this is what the twists look like. Like I said, I just did a bunch of mini twists, super random. The only ones that I did part was the ones in the front because I did want those to look somewhat uniform. So probably like right here in my crown area is the only ones like I really parted. But other than that, I just did like random pieces. I'm gonna show you guys the back. If you can really see, you can't really see on this side because it's dark because of the lighting. Is my window is right here. So yeah, let me just bring you guys to the window so you can see better what my hair is looking like. It's a little bright, but it's all right. Some length retention in my hair and kind of get my hair back to where I feel like it should be, because right now it's not giving. And so I need a little break. So this is what you guys are going to see my hair look like for a little bit. You can do so many cute styles with mini twists. You can leave it up, half down. I'm always going to have these 2 down. That's the one thing. You could do like 2 pigtails. You could put it all up. You could do so many styles with twists. So I just feel like for now, probably for the next month, I'll probably take them down and like redo it again. But probably the next month or so, I'll probably leave my hair like this. And especially because where I live at is super duper hot. So I just feel like this is just the best style for this weather. My hair is wet right now, so what I'm going to do is just to stretch them because they will shrink while they're wet. I'm just going to take them to the back, 1/2 like this, and just stretch it with my scrunchies. And then whenever I'm ready to like style, go outside or something like that, I'll just probably take them out. I don't think I'm really going anywhere today. I'll probably go to the gym, but if anything, I'll just leave my hair like this. I really have no problem going outside with my hair like